Hello and welcome back. My name is Meet, and in this video we will be setting up our development environment. So let's check out what are the tools we need. So we'll need to install the Node.js, which is a JavaScript runtime. We'll need npm, a node package manager, Angular CLI, Visual Studio Code or any other text editor that you use, and Git for version control. The first thing we need to install is Node.js. It is a JavaScript runtime engine that can run web servers, scripts, console, and applications, and a lot of development tools use Node.js. We'll open up nodejs.org and we'll click the download LTS version. Once it's downloaded, go through the installation. And once it's installed, go ahead and open a command prompt window. And type in the command node -version, or you could use -v, the shorthand, to verify the version and that the installation has been successful. Similarly, we can check the version for npm as well. Okay, so next thing we need to install is the Angular CLI. Open up cli.angular.com. The CLI stands for Command Line Interface. Angular has its own official CLI that helps us with a lot of things during the development process. For example, CLI can be used for creating new Angular projects, creating components, services, routing systems, starting and testing and deploying the projects, and configuring the environmental setup. So to install the CLI, type in the following command: npm install --global, or you could use -g, the shorthand for global, and @angular/CLI. -g will install the CLI globally on your system. We can verify the installation by running the command ng-version. Okay, so the next step is to download Visual Studio Code. Search for Visual Studio Code and follow the link, and then hit the download and run the installer once the installer has been downloaded. So we have successfully installed the Visual Studio Code. The last thing we'll need to install is Git for version control. If you don't already have Git installed, you can search for Git download and go to the following site: git.hcm.com, and you can hit the download button. I already have Git installed on my system, so I'm gonna go ahead and cancel the download. Our development environment is set up. Now it's time to create a new Angular project. So let's open up command window and I'll cd into my desktop. That is where I want to create my project folder. Let's type in the ng command to create a new application. That is ng space new / your application name. Select yes to add routing and select CSS. Now it's going to create all the files for us, and also it's going to install all our dependencies thanks to the Angular CLI. New project is initialized. Let's cd into our project and we'll open this Visual Studio Code by typing the command code space dot. This will open the current directory in Visual Studio's code. So you can see the structure. We'll go into our source app and app component.html. This is the boilerplate code that Angular CLI will generate for us. Let's open up our project by typing in the command ngserve. Giving the option -- open will open up a new tab in our default browser. So that's it. You can see the sample application running in your browser. That's how easy it is to get started with Angular. You can change the content by editing the contents of app.component.html file. And when you hit save, it will auto reload the results in the browser. You can see it automatically recompiled our code. That's it for this video, guys. Make sure to like and share this video, and for more content subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.